Okay, welcome, and let's get right into the third installment of the series. The third option or source of income is, of course, plasma donations. With plasma donations, it's fairly easy for anyone to do who is a healthy, able bodied adult. You just have to be, I think it's 18 years old, and you have to have an ID, proof of residency, something like a lease or utility bill of some sort. A cell phone bill does work as long as the address is there and is dated within the past 30 days. You'd be good to go to donate plasma. So, in terms of pay, basically you'd be paid as a returning donor or a new donor. If you're a returning donor, you get paid a little bit less, about $60 to $80 a week. Whereas a new donor, you get paid a premium, which would be up to 100 or more for your first several weeks. Um, you'll be roughly getting paid as you continue on, roughly $300 a month. $300 a month, doesn't seem like a lot of money, but if you accumulate that over the course of 12 months, you're talking about $3,600 roughly in extra income, just like that. Donating plasma, you don't have to study for anything. You don't have to clock in or clock out. You just go in, sign in, sit. They put you on a table. They take the plasma out, return your red blood cells, and they batch you up and send you going with money. You save that money, then you'll be on your way with another source of income.